Starting with the e.l.f. concealer and applying it to the eyelid. Warrior 2 palette, and we're going into the black shade, tapping it lightly. Applying it and then blending this out to create a dark charcoal shade on the eyelid. Nightmare Before Christmas ColourPop palette, going into dark gray, which is In My Bones, and applying over the black towards the eyebrow, inner corner, and outwards. Blending it till it's nice and smooth. Same palette, going into 0 with an angled brush, and this will be the brow bone highlight. Taking a pencil eyeliner in black and then tight lining along the lash line. With an angled eyeliner brush back into the dark gray, we're going to line underneath, and then same brush into the black and create a slight line on the outer corner of the eye. Underneath as well. All that from ColourPop, going into Silhouette with a shadow brush and applying it underneath the eye. We do want to drag this down a bit. Taking a clean blending brush and blending that red color. Back with the eyeliner, we're going to line really close to the lashes underneath the eye. With a detail brush, applying 0 in the inner corner, and now mascara. Applying it to the bottom lashes. And to the top, but concentrating on the outer lashes. Now taking a blush and applying it on the apples of the cheeks with an angled contouring brush into a darker shade of blush, and applying this on the hollows of the cheeks, lip liner and lip gloss. And we're going to line and fill the lips with this color, which is a natural tone, and then apply the lip gloss on top. Here's the look with my natural eye color and with Ocean Gray from TTDI.